St. Lucie Public Schools is excited to welcome our students and staff back for the 2020-2021 school year. Our number one goal is to provide the safest teaching and learning environment possible for our students and our employees. This video series will illustrate some of the changes that our families and employees will see as we reopen schools.
Today, we are here to talk about what the great things we have done, making sure that our staff are safe and that our children that are coming to school feel safe and everything is sanitized within the kitchen and on our serving lines to make sure that the students can get a healthy meal at breakfast time and at lunchtime. So today I wanted to cover some of the things that we are doing in the kitchen to make sure that everything is sanitized. All of our food service employees have been trained to make sure that we're following the CDC guidelines as to wearing masks, and we also wear gloves during preparation. So when an employee arrives at work, they have their mask on already, and the first thing they do is report to the manager for their temperature taking. The manager does ask them vital questions to make sure that they are safe to work. Then once the employee has been cleared, they automatically go and they start washing their hands for 20 seconds, and then they make sure that they dry their hands, and then they report to their station with hair restraint and gloves. Then the preparation begins. They start making sure that all of the tables and the utensils are sanitized prior to preparing the food. During the preparation, employees will be required to sanitize their hands and wash their hands every 30 minutes, just to make sure our sanitation methods are taking effect. We make sure that the serving line is sanitized prior to putting the meals on the serving line. Then after each class that the students come through, the serving line will be sanitized once again. Students will have to say their first and last name as they come through the serving line, rather than entering in their keypad number. We will be able to identify the student on the serving line through the computer system if the class is through a homeroom classroom. At the end of the day, we begin our sanitizing methods again and sanitizing the serving line. Then we also make sure that all the doors, all the handles, the cashier station, all of the tables are sanitized again one last time before the end of the day. And at the end of the day, then they'll wash their hands one last time. And that is our method throughout the entire school day to make sure that our staff is feeling comfortable by making sure that they're wearing their mask and sanitizing their hands continuously, and so also to make sure that our students are feeling safe and comfortable as well.
Have a happy and healthy new school year.